Dear students, this video I am going to explain about this pointer. So it is a unique keyword in C++. So it represents an object that invokes a member function. This represents an object that invokes a member function. So for example, a.show. This represents the object which invokes a member function, correct? For example, b dot show. So this represents b. So first it represents a, then it represents b based on the address. Okay, so again this is another one pointer. This is another one pointer. It consists of address of object. So while you are calling a dot show, this represents address of a. While you are using b dot show, this represents the address of b. So based on your program, it changes its address. So it is also a address. It's also a pointer which consists of address. So it points to the object for which this function was called. So this pointer indicates the address of the object for which you are calling a member function. I repeat, this represents the address of the object for which the function is called. Automatically it changes its address continuously. So it's called as a pointer. This is a pointer. So a dot max, that is, you are calling a member function for the object a. Automatically the compiler will set the pointer. This is a word and this is a pointer. This to the address a. So this consists of address of a. So automatically the compiler allot the address to this pointer. So instead of giving ptr a, that is pointer variable, instead of giving pointer variable, directly you are giving this. That's all. It consists of address of a particular object. So address of the first variable in the class. Address of the first variable in the class. So we will see this example to understand this pointer. See here, class ABC int a public void assign just a is equal to 123. This is a private data member. You can't able to access this private data member in your main function. Yes. But you can access this private data member in your public member function. So a is equal to 123 void assign. Under this, just I am assigning some value for a. I can call this member function for different objects. I can call this member function for different objects. For example, in my main program, I am creating the object for the data type ABC. ABC is a data type. For this data type, I am creating one instance, that is object x. And for this x, I am calling the member function. So x dot assign. So assign, automatically it calls a member function, and while it's calling, it allocates this pointer. It's calling, it allocates this pointer, and for this object a is stored. So x and a is equal to 123. So this pointer is allocated for the address of 0 cross 155. So this pointer consists of the address of this object. This pointer consists of the address of this object. X dot assign, I am calling the member function for the object x. So automatically the pointer is allotted for x. That pointer is called as this pointer. Clear? So now while you are calling this, automatically a is equal to 123. This is, here we are not using any keyword this, correct? But implicitly we are giving this statement, but explicitly if you want to give, you can give this syntax, that is this arrow mark A123. So this represents address of X, because you are calling this member function for the object X. You are calling this member function for the object X. So this point is a pointer consists of address of the object X. So A is equal to 123 is allotted for the object X. Consider another one example, ABC data type X, Y. Here there are two objects X and Y. Now I am calling X dot assign this function. I am calling this member function for X, then I am calling the member function for Y. Correct? So while you are calling, first you are calling for X, then you are calling for Y. So for your calling X dot assign, automatically this pointer is allotted, and here X is equal to 23, A is equal to 23, here A is equal to 23. But for which you are calling, that you have to give correctly. So whenever you are calling this pointer consists of address of this object. So this pointer is allotted for X and it consists of address of X. Whenever you are calling this one, the second one, Y dot, you are calling the member function for Y. So this pointer is allotted for the object Y and it consists of the address of Y. Right? I repeat, you are calling the member function for X, you are calling the member function for Y. Whenever you are calling the member function for X, the pointer is allotted for X. What is the name of that pointer? This. What is the value of this pointer? Address of X. Right? Because you are calling this member function for X. So this pointer is allotted for the object X and it consists of address of the object X. Yeah? Then another one statement, Y dot assign. That means what? I am creating an object Y and I am calling the member function for Y. So you are calling a member function for the object Y. So this pointer is allotted for the object Y and the content is address of Y. Right? The content is address of Y. Okay, so whenever you are using this pointer, automatically this pointer is allotted for the object for which you are calling the member function. So this pointer nothing but it is a pointer variable. It is like a pointer variable. So this pointer, see here, A is equal to 123, but it looks like this. Implicitly it's not consist of this keyword, but if you are going to use explicitly means you have to use like this. So this represents the address of object. That's all. Okay. Now this is one advantage. So this pointer consists of address of the object for which you are calling the member function. So this pointer nothing but pointer variable. It consists of address of the object. Okay, this is the first point. Then the second one important application is it return the object it points to. So the return type, if you are giving the return type, using this keyword you can able to return the values. Right? So you will see using one example. See here, we can use the statement like this: return dereference operator this. Normally what I told that this nothing but pointer variable. This nothing but pointer variable. What is pointer variable? Pointer variable means address of one particular object. So this statements like start PTR A, like that, anyway name. So it returns the value, which is present in that address, correct? So this is the object here, this is the object. So this address consists of object. This address, what is the value inside the address? That address consists of the object. See here, this is the address. So what is the content?